I have arrived in Tokyo, Japan. The first show on this crazy global improv comedy adventure is tomorrow with the Pirates of Tokyo Bay. I am very excited. I'm a bit nervous. I cannot wait to get on stage. All right, I figure while I'm here at the iconic Golden Gai, a neighborhood of tiny bars in Tokyo, I should head in one and get the lay of the land as far as comedy goes.
Hey, whiskey and coke?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Los Angeles,
Los Angeles.
California, yes.
Your name Byron?
Byron.
Yes.
Yes. What's your name?
Yes. My name is Hiroshi.
Hiroshi. Comedy.
Yeah.
Laughs.
Comedy show.
Yes.
Yes.
Exactly. Tomorrow. Tomorrow in Ibisu.
Ebisu?
Yeah, I do comedy. That's what I do.
すげえ、即興でコメディやるんやって。
ああ、すごいですね。
Lead up
パントマイム。
on stage.
7:30 p.m.
7:30 p.m. The Pirates of Tokyo Bay. Half English, half Japanese.
I will go.
Yes!
Yes.
Fantastic! That would be great. All right. See you tomorrow. Bye. Amazing. Night before the big show, there was only one choice of meal: conveyor belt sushi. Now, in my opinion, the conveyor belt is by far the best delivery system for delicious raw fish. But really, it's like any other sushi place. You pour some soy sauce, quickly snag a dollop of wasabi, then grab whatever piece of fish catches your eye. I'm starting off with the old faithful, maguro, aka tuna. Try not to lose half the rice like I did. You can repeat this process over and over again. There's no limit. And when you're done snarfing down a piece of sushi, you stack the plates. And stack, and stack, and stack, and stack, and stack, and stack. Now, this is important because this is how the restaurant keeps track of how much to charge you at the end. That's right, it's not by fish, it's by plate. Now, I had 10 plates, don't judge me. At 180 yen a piece, comes out to about 12 bucks. All right, headed to the show, the big day, the first one. Very excited. I've reached the venue, a British pub called What the Dickens on the 4th floor of this building in the Ibisu neighborhood. I'm really eager to find Mike Staffa. He's the founder of the Pirates of Tokyo Bay, and he's the guy who kind of made me believe that this worldwide improv journey was possible. I also have a few questions for him to prepare me for the show.
Yo!
Yo! What's up?
Welcome.
Well, hello, Mike.
Hi,
Great to see you.
in person. Yeah, welcome to Tokyo.
I cannot believe this is actually happening. First of all, what's it like doing improv in Tokyo? Is it easy? Is it hard?
It's different.
Is it fun?
Yeah, it's different. In Tokyo, it's like, so you're gonna make me laugh, huh?
A challenge.
Let's see how this goes. It's a Sunday night. Let's make me laugh.
Yeah.
Obviously, you're new to Japan, so if you can't localize it, then generalize it.
Okay. So what are the nationalities? It's Japanese, you're American.
Japanese, American, Hong Kong, Singaporean. He's so many passports. Swiss, I think, is his main passport.
Okay, wow.
British.
It's really an international mix.
A bento box.
Yeah, because of course, yeah. Last word of advice before we hit the stage.
Have fun.
This is the stage where it all begins. Amazing to see Mike again, and we're gonna go over the set list. Apparently, I have a costume change to make. Officially a pirate. The Pirates of Tokyo Bay have assembled, and we're about to start an improv pre-show ritual that has been around as long as the art form itself. The warm-up.
Aww, poetry jam, bitch, a poetry jam.
I went to the store because I like cake. A poetry jam, bitch, a poetry jam.
I tried to eat it, but it was fake.
A poetry jam, bitch, a poetry jam. A wiggle wig, what?
美味しいな
A wiggle wig, what?
食べたい
A
な
wiggle wig, what?
もう一個注文
A poetry jam, bitch, a poetry jam. The pub is starting to fill up, which means it's almost showtime.
Thank you guys for coming to the show tonight. You guys rock it. Yo ho on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Here's the squad. It's go time. Normally, improv shows don't start with a rehearsed music and dance number, but in Japan, Mike thinks starting off with something familiar helps the audience feel more comfortable. Also, it's really fun to do. We are dancing and singing to a custom version of a Koronade Shokai song from a popular Japanese puppet variety show. Starting us off is the endlessly energetic Bill.
Trick or treat is cute, but honestly, チョコレートで家賃が払えない。だだだだだ Sing a happy Shokai song. La 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 la. Sing a happy Shokai song.
The Pirates do short-form improv, where we get a suggestion from the audience and then start a scene or game. Each game we play in the show will have different rules. For example, this first game is New Choice, and the rule is that every time we hear the bell ding, we need to say or come up with something different. The suggestion for this scene was Spaceship, and off we go.
They need to change. I was about to say, you should probably keep your indoor voice for me when you're talking to your captain. Captain, it's hard. Lieutenant, Jake. Dad. Son, I thought you were gonna put this aside. Dad. Honey, I've rehydrated some beans. Honey, I've got dried ice cream. Honey, I've got dry soup. Perfect. It's space food. Mom, we're in the middle of an emergency. Bro, before we take off, maybe we could just do something really wholesome like a jigsaw puzzle. Yeah, we should do it now before zero gravity kicks in, because that's a bitch. All right, if you two are gonna keep flirting in front of me, I'm gonna do an EVA. If you two are gonna keep flirting in front of me, I'm gonna jump out of here with no spacesuit on. If you two are gonna keep flirting in front of me, I'm gonna have to Skype my therapist, and it's really expensive from up here. No one Skypes anymore. Son, FaceTime.
Now, I'm not the only guest performer in the show tonight. See that guy standing to my left in the black shirt? That's Gabe Mercado. Yeah, there's Gabe. He's the OG Filipino improviser, basically launched the improv scene in the Philippines in the early 2000s. The Pirates are taking advantage of the fact that Gabe and I speak zero Japanese by playing a unique improv game called 2 Lines. So Gabe and I have each received 2 short lines of dialogue in Japanese from the audience. Now in the scene, those 2 lines are the only thing each of us can say. Bill, on the other hand, whose Japanese is probably better than my English, can say anything he wants to try and justify what's happening. I've added subtitles because it's more fun if you understand what our phrases mean, even if we don't.
いいですか？はい、じゃあお願いします。
いらっしゃいませ。デキコンですか？そのサイズだったらデキコンはやりやすいんですよ。ちょっとね、客さん、デキコンがわかりますけど。何歳ですか？これは多分18、19センチぐらいになります。とりあえずクラップしていただきましょう。何歳ですか？私に聞かないでよ。はい、どうぞ。何歳ですか？もういいの。まだです。やめて。Translation of their words?
じゃあちょっと通訳しますね。デキコンはなんて言うんだっけ？ショットガンウェディング。
Shotgun wedding. And then it makes it weird. Your next one was Nansai desu ka?
何歳ですかは How old are you? でした。スパイロン君はやめて was stop it. でもすごい he used it accurately in some places. すごい正しい使い方をしてる場所があってびっくりしました。でもういいのは Is it okay already or like
Are you done?
Are you done?
Yeah, man, I was a real dick.
Kinda, yeah.
The last game is an improv classic and one of my all-time favorites, Blind Line. This one's really simple. The audience wrote down a bunch of lines of dialogue on pieces of paper, and throughout the scene, the other players and I will pick up the lines and read them as if they are our own thoughts.
I mean, he's right. It makes sense. One of us has to marry our grandmother. All right? I've been writing my vows for my whole life. Marriage is disappointing.
And it's awesome. Yeah. Anything you guys want to?
I just want to say thank you for letting me join your stage. This was incredible. You all are awesome performers, and I loved being a part of it. I loved every second.
Peace out.
Thanks for having me. My first performance in 2.5 years. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Lots of fun.
Thank you.
Now we commence with a post-improv show ritual that's as old as the art form itself, drinking.
All right. How'd I do, fellas? My first show.
Crushed it.
Yes. Cheers to the pirates of Tokyo Bay.
Kanpai.
Kanpai!
My favorite Tokyo bartender even made it to the show.
Video. Hiroshi came to my show. We'll take a picture. Just finished my first show, and I'll be honest, I was nervous. I was a bit anxious. I've been on stage hundreds of times, but not like this. But the Pirates of Tokyo Bay made me feel welcome. They made me feel right at home, even though home is thousands of miles and an ocean away. And I've 196 countries left to perform in, but I'll never forget this one, and it will be really tough to top.